Commission Creator Review, honest review about Commission Creator. In this Commission Creator Review video, I will be taking you through a very powerful and new software that just with one click Super Affiliates are cloned to create commissions with Clickbank, JVZoo, Warriorplus etc. Kindly note that with Commission Creator, you don't earn commissions but you actually create them. I have included the link to get this awesome Commission Creator at an amazing discount below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately before the price increases. But before I continue, I want to say that if you are on this channel for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe and notification buttons on this channel so that anytime we upload educative and inspiring videos or reviews of some very amazing products like Commission Creator, you can see it almost immediately. Also, remember to like, share and comment on this video. The real truth is that making money online has never been an easy journey anywhere. So if you are thinking making money online is a very hard stuff, then sincerely I wholeheartedly understand the struggles you have to go through. In order to generate affiliate commissions, you need to make a whole lot of research and try to figure out the best converting offers in any lucrative niche. Many times you need to sit down to write tons and tons of reviews offering high-value bonuses most times. Also, you need to create your own website and have it designed by an expert, and the most tiring part is you need to constantly feed your site with fresh content from time to time and get it hosted on pro servers. Meanwhile, list building requires offering high-value lead magnets, which can be a software, a training or ebook that might cost you some big money. Sometimes, you just wonder how did successful and super affiliates actually get to where they are today, with many of them claiming to be earning as much as $1,000 per day with their campaigns, or you don't think like that? Well, I can tell you very clearly that there is no need for such thinking or doubts any longer. And this is because what I am about to show you will put to rest all those doubts you have been having before now. Processes are not only what I will be showing you in this video review, but rather how to clone the campaigns of super affiliates. You can swipe their $1,000 per day campaigns and simply switch your affiliate link with theirs without any hassle. Can you just imagine that? With just one click of mouse and a super affiliate's links become yours. I know you are so eager to find out what it is, so let's just dive in my Commission Creator Review now. Commission Creator Review, Product Overview. Creator Rick Williams, Chris X and JVZoo. Product Commission Creator. Launch date the 2nd of April 2021. Launch time 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Official website https://bit.ly/3qap. Front end price $14. Increase gradually. Bonuses yes, huge bonuses. Skill all levels. Guarantee 30 days money back guarantee. Niche tools and software support. EFFSTIVER Ezro NZ. Recommend, highly recommend. What is Commission Creator? Commission Creator is a breakthrough software which allows you to hands-free create an instant turnkey authority review website. It comes loaded with 50x proven campaigns preloaded and 50x free traffic sources which are built in to promote your new site. Thanks to Commission Creator, you can create an unlimited stream of commissions while doing 0% of the work. Curious yet? Let's move on to the next part to see who is behind this amazing product. About the creators. This app was created by Rick Williams with his partners, Chris X and JVZoo. These are Clickbank super affiliates currently averaging over $20,000 per month with a new cloning technology that changes everything for them. They are all successful affiliate marketers who made more than 120,000 sales on JVZoo and have sold more than $20 million of software and training courses on Clickbank. Some of their awesome products that have won severally as products of the day include Traffic Transformer, 7-Click Affiliate, Auto Crusher, Content Magnet Fortune etc. This time, these creative guys are back to bring you Commission Creator, which I'm certain to do wonderful things for you in your business. Commission Creator Review, what does it offer you? Let's now take a look at what you will get with Commission Creator. DFY Super Affiliate Website. You can one-click pick a proven niche, one-click choose from the creator's most profitable affiliate programs and click to replace their affiliate link with yours. Eventually, you can launch your instant turnkey site in no time. 100% DFY complete campaigns. Commission Creator comes loaded with evergreen affiliate offers which brought about real results to the creator. Simply preload them into the app and you are ready to profit. 100% DFY bonus package x10. Guess what? The creator team invested $20,000 in building a huge suite of software tools so you don't have to. Inside of Commission Creator, you can see them preloaded as giveaways, allowing you to effortlessly convert visitors into buyers in no time. Built-in 60x free traffic. With 60x buyer traffic sources, you can boost your DFY website presence with just a click of mouse and make it go viral. DFY Affiliate Training X1. This is a complete step-by-step training which enables you to maximize your results with all of your campaigns. Autopilot List Building. Whatever your autoresponder is, including Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, iContact, SendLane, ActiveCampaign, you can easily build your list with it. Autopilot social leads. You can grow your audience on social media including Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest. Clone the Super Affiliate system that just made $14,101 in March 2021. Your instant turnkey Super Affiliate site with everything 100% done for you. Clone the campaigns of a true $1,000 per day Super Affiliate without the writing, setup, costs or headaches. 1 CLICK free traffic blasters. You can promote your website and affiliate links to 60x traffic sources with 2.5 billion buyers in one click. Replace my affiliate link with your affiliate link in just one click. Built-in list building component so you can build your list and get a social following, while you also make daily commissions. $20,000 worth of software pre-loaded, which you can give away as bonuses or lead magnets. I have included the link to get this awesome commission creator at an amazing discount below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately before the price increases. Forget guesswork. Forget all the headaches that come up with WordPress, blogging, content generation, writing, domain names, hosting, list building, social media and blogging. All you really need to profit is 1K per day offers to promote, evergreen that will always make money. Short and sweet reviews that pre-sell and then drive your visitors right to your buyer links. High-value bonuses, ideally software, that are worth more than the offer you're promoting. A list of your own, either via email marketing or the big social networks, or ideally both. A high-converting website that puts all of this together. And of course, traffic, ideally buyer traffic that makes everything so much easier. Sounds very hard, right? Well, that is if you don't have Commission Creator. Now here's what's included today. An instant done-for-you website, designed to profit. You keep 100% of the commissions. Preloaded with all of my most profitable evergreen affiliate promotions of 2021. I'll still be promoting these all year alongside you, and profiting every day. Professionally written reviews for each offer. These make commissions, especially when they are coupled with my vault of $20,000 software bonuses. Keep reading. 60x built-in 100% free traffic to share your site and links from your browser, plus build your list and social following. Vault of 10x software tools, in the internet marketing niche, that cost me $20,000 to build. Use these yourself, give them away as bonuses for people who buy through your affiliate link, give them away to get people to sign up, even resell them outside your site. Zero ongoing costs or headaches, we handle all the domain, hosting and maintenance. Literally click the clone button to launch. Launch your new site, ready to make money, in literally just a few minutes. Because I have already done all the hard work. Here are some frequently asked questions about Commission Creator. How does Commission Creator work? This system gives you the exact affiliate programs and website used by top earning affiliates. All preloaded into a single site that can be launched in one click. Will I need tech skills or experience? Not at all. We've taken great effort to make Commission Creator very easy to use. If you can get online and surf the internet, you're qualified. Is there a money-back guarantee? Yes, you have a full 30-day money-back guarantee. There is absolutely no risk when you join today. The only risk is you pay extra if you join in a few hours' time. What about maintenance costs? There are zero daily costs involved. With Commission Creator, you don't need hosting, a domain or any paid ads. This is as close to a pure profit model as it gets, because there are no ongoing costs. Will I need a budget for traffic? No. Commission Creator includes 100% free traffic, while letting you build a list at the same time too. How do I lock in my discount? Here's everything you get with Commission Creator right now. Brand new website building software, worth $697, 100% DFY affiliate campaigns built-in, worth $3,497, instantly add your affiliate link, worth $397, hosting and domain name included, worth $1,297, 60x free traffic sources built-in, worth $297, get unlimited free buyer traffic, worth $297, 100% done for you content, worth $597, 100% done for you niches, worth $397, step-by-step training, worth $197, build your list at the same time, priceless. 30-day money-back guarantee, priceless. Total value of everything you get today, $7,376. I have included the link to get this awesome Commission Creator at an amazing discount below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately before the price increases. Lastly, if you have not subscribed yet to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe and notification buttons so that anytime we upload educative and inspiring videos or reviews of some very amazing products like Commission Creator, you can see it almost immediately. Also, remember to like, share and comment on this video.